What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how to make your own drum set using Pro Tools as your sampler. Basically, you're recording all your sounds and doing the little edits with it, and we're going to import those sounds into Reasons to make our own custom drum set using household items. So, as you can see behind me, I have just a regular for storage. I have my little nephew's little drum kit here, and just using a little bit of editing within Pro Tools, I'm gonna make my own drum set. So I guess we could jump right on into it. So what I'm gonna do first is arm the track in Pro Tools. So this will be our bass drum. I'm gonna record. Like, what are you doing? You'll see. Alright, so now we have our bass drum, and we can move on to our next track, which, if I want, I could use a little snare that I have here, or just use the counter. I think we'll use the counter. Alright, so we'll have to move our microphone into a little better position over the counter. Alright, so we got to adjust the little microphone a little bit right there. Scoot that in a little closer. And hit record. Oh, see what I did wrong? I didn't arm the right track. Alright, so undo. Make sure all those are on the right mic line. Okay, now we can record. Was a little low, we could turn up the gain a little bit just to let it more sound. Let's try that one more time. Alright, now we have our bass and our snare. And just for a different snare sound, we can actually use my little nephew's drum kit. So let's arm a little separate track for our snare. Yes, this isn't ideal, but hey, you work with what you have. A little snare drum. I'm sure he'll forgive me for using this drum set. So, I'm going to scoot the microphone over a little bit. If you're curious what I'm using, it's the Sterling ST55. It's not the greatest, but I mean, it's well-rounded. Alright, so now we have our snare armed and ready to go. Our second snare, to be exact. So, got that ready. The levels look like they're alright. So then we can record. Alright, so we have that. And maybe you want a little bit of the I forget what that's called. I'm sorry, my drummer lingo is a little off. The little side stick. Make a new track for that. Alright, so we can mute everything else or just solo it, doesn't matter. So we go to our new track and we hit record. There you go. Alright. On to our next thing. We have our couple options here. We have a little shaker, little toy shaker. So I'm probably going to need a few more tracks, so I'll create a few more mono tracks. Alright, we can scoot those up. What I should be doing also is labeling it, but this is just a quick demo. So now we have our track ready to go. Probably have to turn that down a little bit. Okay. Hit record. Alright. Good enough. Now we move on to, let's see, what do we want? Maybe, don't know, a grand selection of toys here. Let's just, we'll do 2 on 1 track, okay? See what I did wrong again? I didn't arm the track. Alright, so let's arm that. Have it on the right mic line. Now we can record. Alright, we got that. We can move on to the next one. Either. Alright. So after we have all of our sounds, you can go on, you know, banging on the desk, drum, you know, books or whatever it may be. We'll take it in Pro Tools, edit it, cut out, you know, whatever we don't want, add little fades here and there, maybe a little EQ, and those WAV files into Reasons. I'll show you that next. Okay, so now that we have all of our samples the way that we want them, we're going to import those into Reasons from Pro Tools. We have a few options we can use for our samplers. We can either use the Kong, which is like the equivalent of the drum machine within Reasons, or we could use the NN19 or the NNXT, or even the Redrum drum machine. So for this example, alright, so I hope you all enjoyed that quick little tutorial on how to make your and be sure to check out more from myself, Frozen. And be sure to get yourself a copy of the Meltdown EP, which is available now on iTunes, CD Baby, and etc., etc. I have my own little music free for you guys to download at wix.com/soundguysf/Frozen. I'll probably have some more links for you guys on my own little channel, so be sure to check that out too. Other than that, hope you guys have a good time and enjoyed my little tutorial. Peace.